Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars, a cool trick and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. I'm just going to lay them in half in like this, and you can see it's really rusted up. Here's a SDS concrete drill bit. Pretty bad. Alright, this is what they look like beforehand, just so you got a good idea. They're real crusty, real rusty. Alright, there they are. They're in the mixture, 50% water and 50% evapo-rust. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon Central Time, and we'll check them tomorrow morning and see where they're at. Alright, this is what it looks like after 2.5 hours. It's now 6:30 Central Time. We put it in at 4. This orange stuff here is paint. That Allen wrench was painted orange. It was used for a special purpose. But you remember how rusty this one was? This was really bad shape. It's rusted to the point where most of it's eating away at the metal. And the drill bit is coming along fine. And the blade bit is almost spotless. 2.5 hours. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. Alright, here we go. This is one of those cheap Harbor Freight magnetic trays that we used. There's the blade bit. Not a spot of rust on it. All for half the cost. And you know Julio came up with this idea. So we give him the credit on this.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
But there's the blade bit. Let's check the drill bit out. That had a few spots on it. Completely rust free. All for half the cost. Let's get out the mangled Allen wrench here. I had this for a long time, but that was really rusted up here, and it's free and clear of all rust. All for half the cost. Rust free. Now the big Allen wrench. So you can double the amount of evapo-rust that you have. And we've seen significant change just in a couple hours. So you don't need to use it full strength. That means a $16 to $18 gallon is now $8 a gallon. Because water's cheap. It's everywhere. You can get it in a bucket after it rains if you want. And you can see the corrosion on this, how badly this was rusted. It's all rough. Completely rust free. Let's look at this rusty mess. Completely rust free. Alright, let's do a close-up of the two that I let soak overnight. Pretty nice. This was as rusty as this is right here down here. And look at that. All for half the cost. Thanks, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. So Julio wants to change his name, get this, to Jorge Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Not going to happen. Okay, here's the update on the clear-coated items that we did. We did the bumper, the wheel, and the door panel. Now you can see by this bumper, we haven't washed it. It's dirty, but it's very shiny. We're going to hit it with our waterless wash and give you a chance to really see what it can look like. And we'll use the best microfibers known to man. All you do is this. Now, remember, this has not been ceramic coated. All right, check out that shine. Is that beautiful or what? The plastic and everything. All right, now let's go and do the wheel. Okay, here's the clear coated wheel. And we're going to hit it with our waterless wash, and you'll get a good chance to see what that looks like. All right, let's take a look at it in the sun. Look at the shine on that thing. It's just gorgeous. And you did this all yourself with real 2K clear, which is what they use on vehicles from the factory. All right, now let's take a look at the door panel. Okay, here's the door panel. We hope you can see the shine on this thing. It looks wet. That's how much shine is on this. It's beautiful, and it wipes clean and will never stain. We even did the buttons. If you don't do this, you're crazy, because it makes your life so much easier. That's the only button we didn't do.